ka-technologies! We are back again for a new episode of Chikahan.
Pagtok sa talakayan, pagtok sa chismisan, at sigurado marami kang matututunan. Dito lang sa
Entrepreneurial Technology Show! I'm Renz Castor.
And I'm Kyla Lumanaw, your host for today's episode.
Hello partner! How are you feeling today?
Hi naku partner! Sobrang saya ko today at syempre excited na rin ako pag-usapan yung topic natin for today's episode.
Ako rin partner, and I'm also excited to meet our guest for today's episode.
So ano pang inuusahin natin? Ipakilala na natin sila.
Ay oo nga partner! Our guest for today is a software expert and an entrepreneur. They know a lot of things about business and software. So we are really going to learn new things from them.
They also graduated from Ateneo University last year and became well known because of their ability and knowledge in software and about business.
So let's welcome Miss Celeste Batumbakal, also known as Roxy, and Miss Rabia Matilda. A round of applause, please. So Miss Rabia and Miss Celeste, how are you feeling today?
I'm okay.
I'm fine.
Diba Valentine's kahapon Miss Celeste and Miss Rabia? So ano po yung ginawa niyo kahapon? Kung pwede namin ito.
Sa akin, nag-date ako sa crush ko.
Wow, sana all!
I had a dinner with my loved ones.
Wow, that's good. So now let's proceed to ask them a question.
So today, we will be discussing about personal entrepreneurial competencies, software licensing, and software piracy. So to start off, Ms. Rabia as an entrepreneur, what is PEC?
Well, as an entrepreneur, PEC is personal entrepreneurial competences that you use when you are planning to have business and if you want your business to become successful.
Thank you, Ms. Rabia.
Now let's proceed to our next question. Ms. Rabia, as an entrepreneur, what are the PECs that an entrepreneur must possess to succeed?
Well, as an entrepreneur, the PECs I use to make my business successful is first you need to be an opportunity seeker. Because opportunity seeking is the ongoing process of considering, evaluating, and pursuing market-based activities that are believed to be advantageous for the firm. Second is persistence. Being persistent is you have ability to do something or tries to do something with determination and without giving up. Third is commitment. You should give full commitment and solid dedication to make your business successful. Fourth is risk-taking. I always use this because by taking risk, entrepreneurs can try different ideas, assess the success of those ideas, and learn about market trends to be more successful when the next idea is tried. Fifth is goal setting. Goals are an important part of running a successful business because it can provide you with a set of criteria to see if your business is succeeding. And lastly is information seeking. This helps you to undertake personal research on how to satisfy customers and solve problems. If you're planning to have business, you should also need to be confident and hardworking.
Wow! Thank you, Ms. Rabia. I'm sure this information will help our viewers, especially to those who are planning to have business.
Up next, we will be discussing about software licensing and software piracy after a short break.
We'll be right back.
Stay tuned! Welcome back mga ka-technology. Siyempre, nandito pa rin ang mga gagandahang guest natin.
And now, we'll be talking about software piracy and software licensing.
Ms. Rabia and Ms. Celeste, as an entrepreneur and software expert, can you tell us the importance of software?
Software is required in almost every industry, every business, and purpose. As time goes on, it becomes more important for some reasons. In daily life, if you are using a smartphone or laptop with internet, you need apps or application software for your different needs. It also helps us access information and communicate with people around the world.
Also, software provides flexibility, intelligence, and security to all complex systems and equipment that supports and control the different key infrastructures of our society, like transportation, communication, energy, industry, business, the government, health, entertainment, and etc. Software have really played an important role in making our life more faster and easier, and that's what makes it important.
Thank you, ladies, for that comprehensive ideas that you shared to us about software.
So, Ms. Celeste, as a software expert, can you give us information about shareware, freeware, registerware, and counterfeit software?
Shareware, registerware, and freeware are types of software license. This software license allows an individual or a group to use a piece of software because software licensing is a legal instrument governing the usage or distribution of software, while counterfeit software is a type of software piracy. This type of software piracy occurs when fake copies of software is produced using CD burner to copy the software.
Counterfeit software is a type of software piracy. When we ask, what is software piracy?
Software piracy is the unauthorized copying of software. This refers to ways of obtaining software without the permission on the software holder.
Thank you, Ms. Celeste, for your informative ideas about our topic.
So now, before we are going to end our chikahan, Ms. Rabia and Ms. Celeste, do you have any messages to our viewers?
Yes.
Every year, a new version of that software you want to learn comes out with something new. Demonstrate your willingness and ability to take on new challenges, learn new skills by using software.
Make software that you want to use and that you would want to use often. As long as you are making something that you want to use, and then your heart will be in it.
Thank you for that.
So that's all for today's mga ka-technologies. Hope you learned something. Good day and God bless. Once again, I'm Franz Castor.
And I'm Kyla Lumanaw, your host for today's episode. Magkita-kita tayong muli dito lang sa
Entrepreneurial Technology Show!